Chapter 8. Python, Data Types, and Operators. Python Character Sets. Character set consists of valid characters or set of characters that can be easily recognized by a programming language. Character sets are used to form words, numbers, and expressions. In Python, characters are categories in 4 types. Alphabet A to Z, uppercase, A to Z, lowercase. Digits 0 to 9. Special characters bracket plus underscore asterisk backslash and percent hash dollar underscore less than greater than question mark at etc. White space blank space horizontal tab carriage return new line form feed. Other characters Python processes any of the ACII and Unicode characters as data or as literals. Data types. A data type refers to the classification of data, values, which tells the interpreter / compiler how the programmer aims to use the data. In simple words, data type is a value or set of values that a variable can hold. In Python, each variable is associated with a data type, and a data type requires a various amount of memory and has some particular operations performed on it. Mainly data types are categories into 2 types, built-in data types and user-defined data types. The built-in data types are those data types which are provided by Python programming language. User-defined types are those data types which can be created by the programmer as per the need. Now learn about the built-in data types in detail. Data types: integer / long, float, string, list, tuple, complex. Integer. In Python, integer data type represents positive and negative possible whole numbers and is denoted as int. It doesn't contain decimal value. It can be positive or negative as well as 0. The range of an integer can be from -214 crores 74 lakhs 83,648 to 214 crores 74 lakhs 83,647. For example, x is equal to 7. Y is equal to -8. Here x and y are integer variables. Float. These data types are used to represent real numbers that contain a decimal point. These can be written using e or e to represent the power 10. The range can be from 1.175494351e38 to 3.40 to 8 to 3466e plus 38. For example, x is equal to 5.23, y is equal to -46.9, x is equal to 7. Y is equal to -8. Here x and y are floating point variables. Complex. These data types are used to represent numbers that contain a real part and an imaginary part. It is written in the form x plus yj or x plus yj. For example, z is equal to 6 plus 10j. String. These data types are used to represent a character or set of characters. These characters should be written in single quotes or double quotes. For example, x is equal to Python, y is equal to I am a Python learner. List. These data types are used to represent a heterogeneous collection of data elements, separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. You can also create a list with same or different data elements. For example, list 1 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. List 2 is equal to apple, 5, banana, 2. Tuples. Tuples are similar to a list. These data types are used to represent collection of objects which are ordered and immutable. The object and the tuple are separated by comma and enclosed in parentheses. A list can be modified, but tuples cannot be modified after it is created. For example, top1 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Top1 is equal to apple, banana, 5, 2. Comments. In Python, comments are annotations used to explain the program. They enhance the readability of the program and help the programmers to understand the code easily. Comments are the lines in the program that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. In Python, comments start with #symbol# and extend to the end of the line. Comments can be of two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment. When a programmer wants to add a comment of a single line, we use single line comment. It starts with ## symbol. For example, printing a string. Print, I am a Python learner. Output, I am a Python learner. Multi-line comment. When we want to add a comment consisting of multiple lines, we need to add # symbol at every line. For example, printing a string. Print 3 fruits name. Print apple. Print orange. Print banana. Output, apple, orange, banana. Tokens. In Python, a token is the smallest individual component or unit of a program. It represents a particular element, such as an identifier, keyword, operator, or literal. Look at the main types of tokens in Python. Python tokens. Identifiers. Keywords. Constants or literals. Punctuators. Operators. Identifiers. In Python, identifiers are names given to variables, functions, classes, modules, or other entities in a Python program. They can be made up of alphabets, both lowercase and uppercase, digits, and underscores. They cannot start with a digit. Examples of valid identifiers. My data capital letters and small letters are allowed. My data small letters are allowed. My data _1 digits and underscore are allowed along with alphabet. _avg underscore at the first position is allowed. Avg underscore of underscore the underscore numbers multiple words with underscore are allowed. Float keywords are only allowed if we change case of any letter or complete word. Examples of invalid identifiers. Int keyword names cannot be given to identifier. My data 5 special characters are not allowed. My data 1 spaces are not allowed. 1 my data digit is not allowed as first character. Keywords. In Python, keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning. They are used for specific purpose. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers or variable names. Some commonly used keywords are given below. Python keywords. False class finally is returned. None continue for lambda try. True definite from non-local while. And they'll global not with. As elif if or yield. Assert else import pass. Break except in raise. Constants or literals. In Python, Constants are the fixed values that cannot change during the execution of a program. Literals are the raw values used in the program. They can be of various types: integer literals, floating point, string literals, Boolean literals, etc. Punctuators. Punctuators are used to separate the different parts of the program as per the need. For example, square brackets, periods, hash, at, parentheses, commas, colons, semicolons, and curly braces. Operators. In Python, operators are special symbols or characters. They perform particular operations on one or more operands and produce a result. They are also called fundamental components of programming languages that are used to manipulate the data and control the flow of execution. Let's understand with an expression. Operator. Operand. X minus y is equal to 30. Operand. Types of operators. Look at the various types of operators and learn some of them in detail. Arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numerical values: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, floor or integer division, and modulus are the types of arithmetic operators. Name. Symbol. Use. Example. Addition. Plus. To add operands A and B. Subtraction. Minus. To subtract right-hand operand from left-hand operand. A minus B. Multiplication. Multiply. To multiply the operands. A multiply B. Division. Divide. To divide left-hand operand by right-hand operand. A divide B. Modulus. Percent. To returns the remainder after division. A percent B. Remainder of XY. Exponentiation. Asterisk. To calculate power of operands. A asterisk B. A to the power of B. Floor or integer division. Double slash. To separate the fractional part from the result after division. A double slash B. Write Python programs using arithmetic operators. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are also known as relational operators. These operators are used to compare two values and produce a result true or false based on the comparison. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to are the types of relational operators. Name. Symbol. Use. Example. Operands A, B. Equal to. To checks values of two operands are equal or not. A is equal to B. Not equal to. To checks values of two operands are not equal or not. A not equal to B. Greater than. To checks the value of the left operand is A greater than B. Less than. To checks the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. A less than to B greater than or equal to. To checks the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. A greater than or equal B less than or equal to. To checks the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. A less than or equal to B Write a Python program using comparison operator. Assignment operator. This operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Equals, addition assignment operator. Subtraction assignment operator, etc. are the common types of assignment operators. Name. Symbol. Use. Assignment is equal to assign a value of the operand on the right side to the left side operand. Addition. Assignment. Plus is equal to assign the result to the left operand after add the right operand to the left operand. Subtraction. Assignment. Minus is equal to assign the result to the left operand after subtracts the right operand from the left operand. Multiplication. Assignment. Asterisk is equal to assign the result to the left operand after multiplies the right operand with the left operand. Division. Assignment. Slash equal to assign the result to the left operand after divides the left operand with the right operand. Floor division. Double slash equal to assign the result to the left operand after calculates the floor division. Remainder. Assignment. Percent is equal to assign the result to the left operand after takes the modulus. Exponentiation. Assignment. Asterisk is equal to assign the result to the left operand after calculate. Exponential. Write a Python programs using assignment operator. Logical operators. These operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean operands and return a Boolean result. And, or, and not are the common types of logical operators. Name. Symbol. Use. Example. And. If both conditions are true, then returns true. A greater than B and X is equal to Y. Or, if one condition is true, then returns true. A greater than B or X is equal to Y. Not. If condition is true, then returns false or vice versa. Not, X is equal to Y. Write a Python programs using logical operator. Bitwise operators. These operators are used to perform operations at the bit level of binary representations of values. Bitwise and, bitwise or, vertical bar, bitwise XOR, bitwise left shift, and bitwise right shift are the common types of bitwise operators. Precedence of operators. When multiple operators are present in a single expression, we need to perform operations in a specific order using precedence of operators. Operator precedence refers to the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Operator name. Operator symbol. Parenthesis. Exponent. Multiplication, division, modulo, floor division. Precedence highest to lowest. Operator name. Operator symbol. Addition, subtraction. Comparison. Assignment. Logical. Practice with Python. Program 1. Write a Python program to calculate modulus. Program 2. Write a Python program to calculate exponential. Program 3. Write a Python program to find whether a number is greater than or equal to the other number. Program 4. Write a Python program to find whether a number is equal to or not equal to the other number. Program 5. Write a Python program to perform multiplication assignment. Program 6. Write a Python program to perform logical NOT operation. In summary, character set is a group of valid characters that can be easily recognized by a programming language. A data type refers to the classification of data values, which tells the interpreter compiler how the programmer aims to use the data. In Python, integer data type represents whole number and is denoted as int. Float data types are used to represent real numbers that contain a decimal point. Complex data types are used to represent numbers that contain a real part and an imaginary part. Comments are annotations used to explain the program. A token is the smallest individual component or unit of a program. Identifiers are names given to variables, functions, classes, modules, or other entities in a Python program. Keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning. Constants are the fixed values that cannot change during the execution of a program. Punctuators are used to separate different parts of the program as per the need. Operators are special symbols or characters. They perform particular operations on one or more operands and produce a result.